Obrigado. Our next presentation will be TrueColors by Judith Tobias.
Good afternoon. My name is Judith, and I am here on behalf of the TrueColors team, composed by researchers Luís Tobias and Pedro Souto. In our team, there are also two MBA students, Mário Dias and Pedro Vilaça. We will target the global sportswear market, and our product is the graphic application print, also known as heat transfer prints. First, you have names and numbers used to identify both professional and amateur players. You have corporate logos for sponsoring and promotion purposes, brand logos used to identify the brands and also used as a fashion statement, and finally, variable data labels usually found inside the garments with information related to size, composition, and washing instructions. The heat transfer print has an estimated value of 4 billion euros. But there are some problems with the current technology, which is screen printing. The first problem is dye migration from the fabric to the print due to the sole or combined effect of temperature, time, and pressure. As you can see, what happens is the dyes migrate from the fabric onto the layer, in this case, turning it pink. The second problem has to do with printing consistency, and since the enforcement of a restricted substances list, the materials used some years ago were now substituted by eco-friendly components that are a lot less resistant. This represents 3 to 5% losses in defectives and adds up to an estimated value of 900 million euros per year. Also related to the printing consistency is the number of processes that takes to make a heat transfer. The more processes you have, the higher the probability of something going wrong. Finally, the last problem is delivery times. Brands are constantly increasing pressure for shorter delivery lead times, regardless of orders volumes, production setup times, or production complexity. To solve these problems, first, we have introduced and were able to develop a 100% effective dye migration barrier. So all the prints remain the color they were, and there is no change in color. We were able to minimize our defectives rate to under 1% due to our digital printing feature. Our lead times have improved from 1 to 3 weeks. Our production capacity was multiplied by a factor of 10 due to our lamination process. And it is the exact same application method for both processes, thus requiring no investments whatsoever from garment manufacturers. Finally, regarding quality control, against 1 square meter at a time, we are able to control quality for 300 square meters in one go. Reporting to our financials, our major growth will be from the 4th year, when we expect to gain a major player's account. And we forecast 31 million euros of sales revenue, and we will need an investment of 1.5 million euros with an expected payback period of 4 years. And by year 5, we will have an EBITDA of 46%. Thank you, and to all the COHiTEC team.